take a walk with me. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I'm in the Southern California mountains in the town of Lake Arrowhead, and I just stepped outside my front door. Look what I see. Come take first steps with me. Let's see how this goes. Oh. Okay. It's very deep, but we got this. Thanks for coming with me. I wanted to take a walk and just see how it is out here. It's so quiet, listen. All right, my friends on the East Coast are probably laughing and saying, Sparks, that's nothing. But you can see I'm up to my knees. Oh, this street looks, oh gosh, interesting. Let me show you this way. All right. I think we're a little over 5,000 feet here. My Lake Arrowhead friends would know. But, whew, maybe I'm not going to make it very far. Let's see. The street's been kind of plowed. It's kind of fun to take a walk with you. Is this our first walk? I think it is. Okay. Here, I'll hold your hand. It's snowing, and it's supposed to snow for the rest of the day. So it's better to get out and walk now. It's about, 7:45 in the morning, maybe almost. I was thinking I'd take you down here by the water. So let's just walk and see. The water's out there. Hard to believe because it's all foggy. All right, more later.